Okay, I blew up a driver chip and I popped a new one in yesterday and it works fine now. I have a voltage regulator now hooked up so I can go to higher voltages than 15 or 18 volts. Right now I'm running on 12, it's drawing 0.28 amps. I could change that by the Hall effect. Let's see. You see it sticking out there? And you can see there's the air gap about there. There's the air gap of the Hall effect right down there. And I can move it fore and aft, retard or advance a little bit with this plate here that's clamped down. So I can change the input and the volts, the amperage draw and the RPMs. Right now it's going 1525, pretty nice. And 12 volt input. And I don't have the coupler set up. But pretty soon I'm gonna start up this rotovertor motor and they're gonna run at both the same time. This time I'm just going to do 24 volts into this and then have this running at the same time. Just see what happens. I know you're not supposed to overspeed more than 7%. Overspeed the rotoverter motor with the power from this gives the spin. That makes sense. So, So I am going to run this on 24 volts. God, not that hard. Okay, 24 volts. Remember it was 0.28 amps? Now it's gone up this high, but it's going to drop down when it gets up to some good speed. There's a little rattly bearing, not too bad. A little bit of slack in one of these bearings up and down. It's okay. Here's what it is going to be drawing, 0.48. I could change this with moving this timing plate a little bit, but I'm just going to leave it there. RPMs now at 24 input, 24 volt input, 2376. Okay, now I'm going to couple these shafts together. So hold on a little bit. Okay, I got the rotoverter spinning at 1800 RPM. It's spinning the dual rotor motor generator at 1800 RPM. And let's check that. Well, almost 1790. This is running off 60 hertz, 120 volts. And there's the speed it's going. Pretty steady. Now, here comes the big test. First I'm going to put in 12 volt input to this. I don't know what will happen. Nothing. So now this is turning 2. I'm not looking at amperages right now. Watch this. Here, now we're going to put 24 volts into the motor coils of this one. See what happens now. Oh wow, okay. I should be overspeeding. I don't know why this is so hard to do. Get on there. There. Okay, now I'm running this on 24 volts. This on 120. The shafts are coupled. Let's see what the RPM is. Well, now let's take off the power now. Now this is not powered. This one's not powered. Now let's look at the RPM. We're only speeding up by about 10 RPMs, but it is going faster. Where's that cord? Okay, ready? Here we go, 24 volts into this now. Whoa. Okay, hold on 1 minute. Okay, I have 24 volts going into it here. I'm measuring the current input. So the current input is gone up from 0.48 to 0.60 on the motor generator. Let's see what happens with the current input to the rotovertor now. Hold on. Okay, interesting. I just was hooking up the ammeter. I disconnected the rotoverter. And now we got some speed up going on because I don't have the rotoverter hooked up. So now we're at 21 and gaining, okay? This is with this unpowered. But whatever. Okay, wait a minute, I'm going to plug the rotoverter in now. Okay. I have the rotoverter motor plugged into 120 volts, 60 hertz. And it's only drawing that much, 20 milliamps. Because this is aiding. DC humping it. Interesting, huh? So, I don't know. I'm going to take off the power to the rotoverter. And see what happens. Now the rotoverter's not being powered. This thing is spinning it. I want to see what the draw is now. Hold on. Okay. Rotoverter's disconnected. It's just spinning free. Generator coils are unloaded, just spinning free. 24 volt input. It's drawing 0.56. Remember, it was 0.6. when it goes faster, it's going to go down lower. I bet you it'll get down to 0.48. So the generator, the rotovertor is nothing but a flywheel, more or less, right now. So 0.52. Okay, so 0.48 not spinning this. 0.52 spinning this. The voltage regulator is working good. Now, watch what happens when I plug in the rotovertor. There'll be kind of a chunk here. Ready? I'm going to plug in the rotovertor right now. Hear that? Now, the motor coils and the motor generator are drawing 0.59. Not too bad. And we know this is 20 milliamps is all this is drawing now. Anyways, there's some tests, not really proving anything. I'm just doing tests, running this on 24 volts. Let's see what the again, it's at 1800. It doesn't want to go much faster than 1800 with the rotovertor plugged in. And with the rotovertor unplugged, which I'll do right now, unplugged, it wants to go up to, I think it was 2200. So, there's all that. I'll be doing more tests, and thanks for watching. Okay, bye.